Okay, so illustrative example number 5 is the function f defined by f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4, a linear function. So, pag-try sagutan muna. Okay, so solution. So, kung mapapansin natin, ang function natin na f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4 is not written in slope-intercept form. And aside from that, ang exponent natin dito ay 2, hindi 1. So therefore, itong function na ito ay not a linear function. Hindi siya linear function. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple. I-identify nyo lang kung ano yung highest exponent niya. Pag hindi 1, so makukonclude ka agad natin na ang function is not a linear function. Okay.